The bee is more honored than other animals, not because she labors, but because she labors for others. Do you enjoy eating honey? Do you know where honey comes from? Yes, it comes from hard-working bees. But did you know that without bees, we would not have many of the fruits and vegetables we need? And we wouldn't have beautiful tulip fields, blueberry picking, and cherry blossoms. Bees are so important for us. How can you help bees? Invite honeybees into your garden by planting seeds. Even one sunflower can help bees thrive.